I watched this dry bar comedy talk about some of the music. Some music has the dumbest lyrics. And he's talking about rap music. How stupid this guy. They talk about all kinds of music, but this one is talking about rap music. And Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne sucks. I always hate it. I know Ooh, you used to listen to that. Z. I used to make fun of it. Z. It's horrible. Well, here's what he has to say. Listen to this. It's hilarious.
I'm gonna go on break.
He's talking about 2 Chainz.
Rappers are just confusing to me, man. Lil Wayne, I'm a little concerned about Lil Wayne. That man is out of his mind.
20,000 Totino's pizza rolls for a patch? I want my whole back.
Like any parents in here, if you seen your baby do that, you get worried.
Retarded. Lil Wayne's retarded.
Listen to his lyrics. Something is wrong with Lil Wayne. He's crying out for help. Something is wrong with his physical health.
It's true.
You'll never be able to hear a song from him the same ever again. But something is wrong with him physically. He's giving you hints in his song. One lyric he says, I got a big house hallways. I got 10 bathrooms. I could crap all day. Really? That's what you want to do with all that young moolah, baby. That's what you want to do with all that money. Just sit back and eat burritos and cold pizza and just need to get a bottle of KO Pectate. What's wrong with you, Lil Wayne?
There's something really wrong with him. Z.
All these